Phew. As promised, Nirmala ma'am tabled the new income tax bill. We had drawn a deep breath, held it, and finally released it once we went through the draft. Unlike what Mr. Chidambaram had once promised, we would have a new direct tax code. This new income tax bill, soon to become an act, is just a repackaging and truncation of the old Income Tax Act of 1961. That's fortunate because there's so much jurisprudence, so many sections, laws, citations which the Supreme Court has finally held, which would have gone all out of the window if we had an entirely new direct tax code. It also means, if you hear the podcasts of some of the IT practitioners, especially the ones from Delhi, who have that beautiful humor with respect to the central government, you will realize that this great exercise in simplification is questioned that it is for whose benefit? Is the common man, the lay, non-professional tax practitioner going to read even this Income Tax Act? No, and the professional was anyway accustomed to it. So, if you change sections, if you include the provisos and the clarifications in the main section, you tabulate a few things, you also change words like notwithstanding to irrespective. Well, who does it benefit? But in any case, the government's narrative always prevails, so the great simplification is done, it's before the parliamentary committee, and we will soon have a new act. I hope the Supreme Court, because most of the sections have just been renumbered, put in a new structure, the obsolete and the sunsetted sections have been deleted. It's now more compact, but I hope that whatever the Supreme Court has held earlier with respect to the earlier section numbers, it continues to be the law of the land with the new section numbers. Otherwise, a whole lot of jurisprudence will again have to be done. It takes many, many years for matters to reach the Supreme Court and finally get settled. Let's hope.